Can I be successful in home business? A question that is getting asked by very new home business owners as well as people who's been in this industry for a while and they have not had any success yet. William Georgeson here from williamgeorgeson.com, and let us answer this question. Now let us start by explaining it by means of an example outside of our industry. Let us say that you want to go and buy a vehicle. You want to buy a new car, and what is typically what you're going to be looking at? You're going to be looking at is it a sedan, a station wagon, a hatchback? What is it that you want to buy? What is the fuel consumption? What is the maintenance of this vehicle? What is the insurance? You're going to be looking at a lot of different things on this vehicle before you make a buying decision. And so you've just bought this vehicle of your dreams, right color, right everything, and you take the very first long journey. And what do you find out? The seat is uncomfortable. The seat is uncomfortable, you feel your back hurts, you just don't feel that comfortable driving a long journey. And what is the next thing that you're going to be focusing on? I bet you anything, every time you get into this vehicle, you're going to be focusing on that seat. It's going to be uncomfortable and you're going to be knowing it, even if you take a small journey. That is going to be the center of your focus. You will eventually won't want the vehicle anymore. You would want to trade it in, you would want to sell it, you would just not want it anymore. Now your home business is typically your vehicle that's going to take you to success. It's going to take you to that goal that you so much want. And if this home business is uncomfortable, if this is an uncomfortable journey, then typically you will find that you will be not knowing who to speak with. You'll be uncomfortable to promote it to people. You will be not knowing what content to create. You won't know where to find people to speak with. And that is just because you're completely uncomfortable with this idea of your home business. Coming back to our question, can I make money from home? Here is 4 points that I feel is really essential in your march up in making money from home and being successful in your home business. First of all, what has worked for you? What problem did you solve for yourself? What product did you use? What system did you use? Whatever it is that the pain point is that you have relieved for yourself, that is what you're going to be concentrating on, because you really know what has happened. You know how you felt before you actually started using this product or your system. Doesn't matter what it is. It could have been something in the weight loss and the health and the wellness industry, could have been a travel program, could have been a system to help you find leads in order to have people to speak with. Whatever it is, that problem that you had to get solved, and that you eventually solved by using this system, this product that you are using now, that you want to promote to many people out there, that is what you need to look at, because you know what it is. You know exactly how you felt before you started using it. You know exactly what you've done in order to get some traction and to gain some control of your business. And therefore you will be able to speak with conviction. People will see it, they will feel it, they will know that you've gone through the ranks and that you've actually you walk the walk. You don't just talk it, because they can see and they can hear that you really know what you're talking about. Secondly, who is the people that you are standing for? Who is the people that you are fighting for in this whole scenario? That target market, that person who's got the same problem that you had just before you started using this product or the system. You must know exactly who this person is. Once you know exactly who this person is, and pinpoint it a little bit, don't be a little bit detailed when you go into finding out who this person is, so that you know exactly who you're speaking with, and that you know exactly that person. You must be able to envision that person and know what you can help them with and who they are. Thirdly, know exactly what you sell. And not just I'm selling a system that's going to help you to find leads. Not just I'm going to sell a weight loss product that's going to help you to lose weight. It is what you sell is really not what it does. Or not what it is, it's more what it does. It's what actually is, what's going to happen for this person. Are they going to be just losing weight versus they're going to be feeling $1 million getting into the clothes that they couldn't wear for the last 5 years or 10 years. They're going to be walking on the beach in their favorite swimsuit and they're going to feel great about themselves. That is what you're selling, that emotional connection. Know what you're selling, not just the product, but what it does. Number 4, know where you are going with this. Know what this business is going to bring you. Know your goals. Once you know where you're going and you know exactly with conviction what you are going to achieve, people can feel it. They can feel that you're running with so much confidence, and they can feel that you are the leader that they were looking for. You're not just the next person who's going to say, buy my stuff, buy my product, buy my system. You're going to be the one that knows where you're going. They're going to be looking at you as a leader. They're going to perceive you as the leader that they always wanted. And they will buy the product or the system rather from you than anyone else, because they know that they can trust what you're doing. You are not going to just stop halfway. You're not going to just stop doing what you're doing. You're not going to just decide that you're going to give in to whatever the stumbling blocks are. You know where you're going, and you know that you want to get there, and you're going to get there. And that confidence that they will have in you, that will bring you a team. It will bring you sales. In conclusion, if you're just going to choose a product or a service that is going to make you money, we all want to make money, but if you're just going to go after, I want to make money, what's going to happen is that you just are going to focus on that money. You're not really going to have any real genuine value to give. And if you're more open to more training like this that actually takes you through today's marketplace, what's working and whatnot, click on the notification bell, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel so that you know when I bring out the next video.